Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a recently launched smartwatch from Boat. So this here is the Lunar Connect Ace from Boat. This has been recently launched, I think last week. We ordered it and here it is. So this is the brown variant in the sense this is a brown leather strap. There are 6 variants of this that is launched in 6 variants. So 2 are black, one is black with a metal strap, one is black with a silicone band, there is a pink, a violet, a blue, and this is the brown one. Okay, so now that's out of the way. Let me show you on the box and then we'll do the actual unboxing. So very prominently written here, made in India by an Indian brand. Of course, Boat usually assembles the parts which they import from China, but yeah, it's good that they are highlighting this one. I hope this is really made in India. Like, I don't know how much percent that is, but yeah, I hope, one can hope. So Boat logo here, Lunar Connect is here. Okay, let's go to this side. So it says advanced Bluetooth calling. So this has Bluetooth calling. Okay, nothing on this side. Boat smartwatches. Okay, now coming to the bottom, 1 unit display dimension, blah blah blah. Okay, maximum retail price of this is listed at 9,999, that is 10,000, but I got this for 2,499. So you currently, this is on sale on Flipkart. I'll put the link of that below if you want, go check that out. So 2,500, I don't know, like it is recently been launched, the price might go up. And okay, now coming to the back, 100 plus more sports mode, that's good. Cloud and custom watch faces, so they promise 100 plus watch faces. So we will count it, I will in the full review, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review of this watch. So heart rate, SpO2, stress monitoring, of course we'll test the accuracy of those also. Music, camera control, call, text, blah blah, always on display. So this is AMOLED display, 1.43 inch if I remember correctly. So IP68 dust and water resistant. So you can go swimming with this one, but I think this is a depth limitation of 30 meters, 10 meters and 30 minutes. Yes, up to 7 days of battery life. So that is tall claims. We'll again test those out, like how much does they last. Compatibility Android 7, iOS 12. Okay, blah blah blah. All right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what is there in the box. Okay, so okay, so right out of the box we get the watch with a sticker and leather strap. Okay, we'll come to this later on. First of all, let's see what's in the box, what else is in the box. Okay, so they have this foam type of material on top and paper cardboard box. Okay, nothing else. All right, we have the charging cable type A, and this is the magnetic pogo pin. Okay, we'll test the strength of this one in a minute. So a lot of stickers, I think. Okay, let me show you what type of stickers there is. Okay, art and the artist. Okay, working remotely with the remote in hand. Nice. What is that? Do what floats your boat. Okay, nice. And okay, a view out of the airplane window and boat head. All right, and we have the manual here, how to charge, how to connect, how to navigate, workout. So basically all the instruction how to operate it is given here. Okay, nice. And what do we have? The thank you card from Boat. All right, quite a lot of documentation. And what is this? Do what quote blah blah. I think this is just marketing material. Boat, if you if you're watching this, save paper. I don't think this amount of things are needed. Anyways, this will end up in the garbage bin. So all right, basically what other products that they have. And another one here, a boat head, QR code to know more. Yeah, a lot of wastage of paper. Anyways, now let's come to the watch itself. Okay, let me. So first impression, I'm not that much impressed with the leather strap. I think it's most of the people out there will be happy with the silicone strap. I'm not even sure if this is waterproof. So yeah, so first of all, this is not real leather. This is the vegan leather type. So steel clasp here. So this is plastic. This might look like a metal in the promotional materials. I heard somewhere that this leather watch variant had the metal dial, but yeah, this is not metal, this is plastic, as you can see clearly here. And let's have a look here at the sensors. Okay, so heart rate and SpO2 sensor here, and what do you have? Some numbering here, a barcode here, boat lifestyle, Lunar Connect S Ace. Okay, and so 2.5D glass, as you can see, AMOLED display. Let me see if there is any charge here. Okay, and this has 700 nits of peak brightness and 1.43. So that's quite nice. On paper this is really nice, really good pixel count. 466 into 466 is quite a lot. This also has always on display, and we have a rotational crown. I'm not sure if this is functional, so yeah, we'll have to pair that up. So we will do that later. Okay, there is the speaker, you can attend your calls, and as I was mentioning, let's do the magnetic pin strength test. Okay, not this way, it's okay, and let's see. I would say strong enough. Okay, not very weak as some of the other smartwatches that we have seen. So this won't go off when you try to just plug it and put it. When not connected, many features are not available. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So without connecting, you can you can access the watch face. Okay, I would say the screen is very vibrant. That's quite nice. Okay, so it won't show any without pairing, it won't show anything. It is just showing the time and a normal watch face. So on first glance, this is not functional. Let me see if I can long press it. All right, I think this needs to be set up to access the full list of features. Right, so that's it for today. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review of this watch, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.